Have you ever wondered about the worth of the global airline industry? A fascinating question, isn't it? To answer that, let's take a journey into the sky-high business of airlines. In the year 2023, the global airline industry was estimated to be worth just under $841.5 billion. Quite an astronomical figure, wouldn't you say? But it wasn't always smooth sailing, or should we say, smooth flying. The industry faced significant challenges, particularly with the onset of the coronavirus pandemic. But here's where the resilience of the airline industry truly shone through. To adapt to this new reality, airlines implemented a range of measures, each designed to ensure passenger safety while keeping the wheels, or more aptly, the propellers of the industry turning. These measures included passenger distancing, digital immunity passports, and contact tracing. Passenger distancing, for example, was a direct response to the need for social distancing to prevent the spread of the virus. This meant fewer passengers per flight, but it also meant safer travel for those on board. Digital immunity passports and contact tracing were other pivotal measures. These tech-based solutions helped to monitor and control the spread of the virus among passengers. With digital immunity passports, airlines could verify a passenger's immunity status, making air travel safer for everyone involved. Contact tracing, on the other hand, allowed for the tracking of passenger movements, crucial in preventing further spread should a passenger later test positive for the virus. These measures, though born of necessity, have transformed the industry, proving that even in the face of adversity, the airline business can adapt, innovate, and continue to thrive. So, whether you're an aviation enthusiast or just a curious mind, it's safe to say that the airline industry is a testament to human resilience and innovation. It's a vast, dynamic, and exciting field that, despite facing some turbulence along the way, continues to soar. Despite the turbulence, the airline industry continues to soar. When you think of airplane manufacturers, which names come to mind? Perhaps two colossal giants of the industry, Boeing and Airbus, right? They've etched their names in the annals of aviation history with their innovative designs and technological advancements. The global airplane manufacturing market is an enterprise of titanic proportions, valued at a staggering $400 billion. This colossal industry is ruled by these two leviathans, Boeing and Airbus. They've soared above the rest, carving out a significant part of the market share for themselves. Boeing, an American multinational corporation, has been a key player in the aviation industry for over a century. Known for its distinctive 7 Series jets, Boeing has been a symbol of American ingenuity and engineering prowess. From the classic 737 to the modern fuel-efficient 787 Dreamliner, Boeing's aircrafts have become a familiar sight in skies across the globe. On the other side of the Atlantic, we have Airbus, Europe's answer to Boeing. Airbus has been a major player in the industry since its inception in the late 20th century. With its A-series jets, Airbus has given Boeing a run for its money. From the short to medium range A320 to the double-decker, wide-bodied A380, Airbus's planes are renowned for their innovation and efficiency. These two titans have been in a relentless race for supremacy, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in aviation. They've pioneered new technologies, brought forth groundbreaking designs, and set new standards for fuel efficiency and passenger comfort. Their rivalry has spurred innovation, shaping the industry as we know it today. Yet, despite their fierce competition, Boeing and Airbus share a common goal: to connect the world, to make air travel safer, more efficient, and sustainable. They've played a pivotal role in shaping our world, making the globe a smaller place, and turning the miracle of flight into an everyday reality. In the sky of aircraft manufacturing, Boeing and Airbus are the shining stars. They are the titans of airplane manufacturing, the architects of our modern world, the drivers of an industry that never stops reaching for the skies. What drives the commercial aviation market globally, you might ask? It's a complex interplay of various factors, each as significant as the other. Let's delve into the fascinating world of the commercial aviation market and its dynamics. Firstly, let's talk about the size of this expansive market. The commercial aviation market size was estimated at nearly $200 billion in 2024. However, this isn't just a static figure. It's expected to reach almost $300 billion by 2030, growing at a compound annual growth rate of 6.72% during this 6-year forecast period. That's a substantial leap, isn't it? But what's fueling this growth? 3 key factors primarily drive the market: increasing air passenger traffic, the growth of the middle-class population in emerging countries, and the increasing demand for fuel-efficient and modern aircraft. The first driver, increasing air passenger traffic, is quite self-explanatory. As more and more people take to the skies for travel, whether for business or leisure, the demand for flights grows. This, in turn, expands the commercial aviation market. The second factor, the growth of the middle-class population in emerging countries, is a bit more nuanced. As economies develop and wealth is more evenly distributed, a larger middle class emerges. This burgeoning middle class, with more disposable income and a growing penchant for travel, significantly contributes to the demand for air travel. Lastly, the increasing demand for fuel-efficient and modern aircraft is another crucial driver. Airlines are continually seeking ways to reduce operational costs and environmental impact. This quest leads them to invest in newer, more efficient aircraft, thereby propelling the commercial aviation market. Now, let's shift our focus to regional markets. The Asia-Pacific region holds the largest share in the commercial aviation market. This dominance is driven by the rise in domestic and international air traffic levels. As economies in this region continue to grow and develop, we can expect this trend to persist. Lastly, in terms of sub-aircraft type, passenger aircraft dominate the market. This makes sense when you consider the factors we've talked about: the rise in air passenger traffic and the growing middle class in emerging countries. Both these elements naturally lead to a higher demand for passenger aircraft. In conclusion, the commercial aviation market is a vast and dynamic entity. It's shaped by a multitude of factors, each influencing the other in unique ways. From increasing air passenger traffic to the growth of the middle class in emerging countries, from the demand for fuel-efficient aircraft to regional dynamics, each element plays a crucial role in this intricate dance. The global market is a dynamic entity constantly shaped by various factors. Understanding these factors and their interplay can give us unique insights into this fascinating industry. As we continue to explore the business of aviation, we'll uncover even more layers of this complex, ever-evolving world. So, what have we learned about the business of aviation? For starters, we've unpacked the intricate world of airlines, a sector that in 2023 was valued at a staggering $841.5 billion. Despite the turbulence caused by the global pandemic, the airline industry showed remarkable resilience, adapting and innovating with measures like passenger distancing, digital immunity passports, and contact tracing. This is a testament to the industry's ability to weather even the most severe storms. Then we ventured into the realm of airplane manufacturing, a market that soars over $400 billion. The airspace here is dominated by 2 titans, Boeing and Airbus. Their established jet brands, the 7 Series and A Series respectively, are a testament to their engineering prowess and a symbol of their market dominance. Yet competition is fierce, and constant innovation is key to staying airborne in this high-stakes game. From there, we broadened our view to the global commercial aviation market, a sector that was estimated to be worth nearly $200 billion in 2024. This market is set to reach nearly $300 billion by 2030, growing at an impressive compound annual growth rate of 6.72%. The thrust behind this growth comes from increasing air passenger traffic, an expanding middle class in emerging countries, and the rising demand for fuel-efficient and modern aircraft. Regionally, the Asia-Pacific area holds the lion's share of the market thanks to surging domestic and international air traffic. When we break it down by sub-aircraft type, passenger aircraft are the clear front-runners. This is, of course, all part of the bigger picture of the global aviation market, a sector that is as diverse as it is dynamic. Yet, these highlights barely scratch the surface of the vast and fascinating field of the aviation business. There are many more aspects to explore, from the intricate supply chain logistics to the complex regulatory environment, from the technological advancements that are revolutionizing the industry to the economic and environmental challenges it faces. The business of aviation is a vast and complex machine made up of many moving parts. It's an industry that is always on the move, always evolving, and always reaching for new heights. It's an industry that, despite occasional turbulence, continues to soar, driven by human ingenuity, resilience, and the timeless dream of flight. In the vast field of aviation business, we've only just scratched the surface.